What areas of your vehicle should you really get protected with paint protection film? We're going to use this Tesla Model Y as a reference because it got our full body paint protection film package. I will go through all of our different PPF packages, and by the end of this video, you should know which areas of your vehicle you want to get protected with paint protection film. Because everyone's needs are going to be different based on driving environment, how often you drive, and the distance that you drive every day. Because at the end of the day, the roads here in the Nashville, Brentwood, and Franklin, Tennessee area are riddled with road debris and potholes, which can destroy a car's paint and finish. So the first package that we have to protect against this is our partial front PPF package. So the partial front PPF package is going to get full coverage paint protection film on the bumper, full coverage paint protection film on the mirrors, and then about a quarter of the way up on the hood and about a quarter of the way up on the fenders. So there will be a line going across on the hood and fenders, and it does leave this upper half or this upper section of the hood and fenders exposed, but that lower portion of the hood and fenders are the areas that are most likely to get rock chips. So if you're looking at that line and you're thinking that that is going to bug you, or you're looking to have full coverage and have this whole hood and have this whole fenders protected, then you probably are going to be looking at either the full front PPF package or the track pack PPF package. Now the next paint protection film package that we offer is called our full front PPF package, which is going to give you full coverage on the fenders, mirrors, bumper, and hood. So just like the partial front, except the hood is getting full coverage. We wrap all of those edges, same as the fender, gets full coverage, and it's going to be virtually undetectable. So you're not even going to really know, and no other person is going to know that you have paint protection film here, but that whole front section of your vehicle is now going to be protected without being able to see visually that line going across your hood and your fenders. Just think about how many small or large objects are kicked up from the vehicle in front of you on just a normal daily commute. And the thing about these small and large objects that are hitting your vehicle is they add up pretty fast, and it's going to cause these chips in your paint. It's going to be costly to repair, and it's just going to be an eyesore over time. And that's exactly what the full front PPF package is for. It's to protect your vehicle in the areas that are most likely to take that impact damage. So the whole front of the vehicle is going to be protected, including the mirrors. So the only areas that would not get protection would be from your doors back. From the fenders forward are going to have paint protection film. Now, you can always add a ceramic coating from the doors back, which would get applied to your wheels, plastics, glass, and painted surfaces. So you would still get protection on the doors back if you wanted to add ceramic coating. It's going to help with maintenance, make cleanup really easy as water and contaminants just roll right off. It makes the paint extremely slick and glossy. It's going to protect you from fading, staining, marring. The paint protection film is going to protect against all of those things, plus that rock chip protection and that scratch protection. So just like the full front PPF package, which gets the fenders, the hood, the bumper, and the mirrors, the track pack PPF package is the next package that we offer. The track pack PPF covers all of the same areas that the full front PPF package does, but it includes the lower rockers down here. So in this Tesla Model Y right here, you have this body line right here. This is what we would consider that lower rocker, and that's where we would put paint protection film on a track pack. Now, the line of PPF would be right here. It would go all the way down to the bottom of the door. And those are the areas that are going to be most likely to get rock chips from your own tires or from vehicles in front of you, slinging them up and hitting that lower portion. And the track package is perfect if you are just daily commuting a car, want to have that lower area protected just for peace of mind, or you do spirited drives on the back roads of Franklin, Brentwood, or Nashville, Tennessee area. That lower rocker panel is really just extra coverage to give you peace of mind in a highly susceptible place to get rock chips or defects. And then lastly, we have our full body PPF package. This is exactly the package that this Tesla Model Y received. It gets all of the exterior painted surfaces protected. The full body PPF package is the ultimate protection. Essentially, it gives you PPF on the whole front of the vehicle, but also down the sides and the rear of the vehicle. Now, this Tesla Model Y has a glass roof, but if this were a painted roof, this would also get paint protection film. So essentially, the whole exterior of the vehicle is covered. It gives you that ultimate peace of mind, essentially a massive shield around your vehicle that is preserving the paint's finish underneath. No matter what is thrown at your vehicle, no matter what angle it's thrown at your vehicle, this package is going to protect you. So the full front is going to protect the front of the vehicle. The track pack is going to be the front of the vehicle plus that lower rockers. The full body is going to be the entire exterior. So that rock kind of comes at your vehicle wildly at a weird angle. even your doors are protected, your roof is protected, and your rear section of your vehicle is protected with this package. Now here at 86 Auto Lab, we are an authorized XPEL dealer here in the Middle Tennessee area. That means we install XPEL products as far as PPF goes, ceramic coating goes, and window tint goes. Now our paint protection film is self-healing as well, meaning if you get a minor defect such as a small scratch from maybe improper washing or maybe something rubs on your vehicle the wrong way, the beauty of this product is it is designed to be self-healing. So park it out in the sun, the heat from the sun is going to cure that defect away like it never happened. And if none of those packages that I mentioned are for you, and maybe you're just looking for PPF on the bumper or PPF on the hood, we can do individual or select items as well. So if you just want one section of your vehicle PPF, we can do that. And if you don't really care too much about the rock chip protection or the scratch protection that paint protection film offers, we can always do a ceramic coating as well. This is going to give you the protection against fading, staining, marring, etching, and so much more. But it also pairs well with PPF packages. So if you are getting the full front package, the track pack, partial, whatever PPF package that you decide is perfect for your vehicle, we can add a ceramic coating as well, and it actually helps with maintaining, cleaning the vehicle, makes maintenance a breeze as water and contaminants just roll off, makes the paint super slick and glossy. So ceramic coating is always an option, whether that be adding that to your service or we install it as a standalone service as well. And if you're in the Franklin, Brentwood, or Nashville, Tennessee area and you'd like to inquire about one of the packages that I talked about today, give us a call or text today here at 86 Auto Lab, 615-506-6286. We'd love to get you a free quote, get your vehicle protected in either paint protection film or ceramic coating or both.